Be kind, be brave, be you, by Charles M. Schulz. Be kind. If you say something kind or do something nice, then you'll make someone's day without thinking twice. Give a gift from the heart and then you will see. Being kind may take time, but the cost is free. When you ask for 5 cents, it is kind to say please. And please share your scarf so your friend doesn't freeze. Be kind to your friends when they want to learn. You might even get a big hug in return. Be brave. It's tough to be brave when you're high in the sky. It's true, you may fly, but you also might fly. Just take a deep breath. We know you can do it. If you think you can run, you can run right through it. Be brave and speak up. Defend what is good. Use your voice, make a sign, and be understood. Be kind, be brave, be you. Be true to yourself. It's the one job you've got. So dance with your heart. Swing, waltz, or foxtrot. Do you love your cool hat? Then start a new trend. Want to find your own path? Choose one with a bend. Go sing in the rain if it makes you smile. There's only one you. You have your own style. So take this to heart. The best thing to do is be the kindest and bravest, most wonderful you.